This 2021 Winnebago Voyage V2831RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 31 feet 8 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide out, external shower, auxiliary battery, microwave, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, TV, refrigerator, skylight, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Winnebago Voyage V2831RB is 7,460 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.